studio. That was so random. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. This technique exercise is filled with paddle rolls and paddle turns. I love triplets, like a lot. It's probably one of my favorite musical phrases is just a triplet. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a. Love them. So I created this exercise to work on triplets, but it also works on like balance and dexterity, because you not only have to like stay on your toes, you also are going to be turning around and then staying on your toes and going back center. It's really, really cool. It's a great exercise for pretty much all levels, as long as you know how to do a paddle roll and a paddle turn. I should have those as step tutorials in the step tutorial playlist. I'll double check that after I film this, that I have paddle turns in there. And if I don't, I will make one so that it comes out before this video so that it is there. Cool. Good plan, Jen. Great plan. Good plan, Bento? Was that good? No, he's just chilling. He's just chilling on the porch now. All right. So it's going to start with paddle, roll, dig, paddle, roll, dig. So it's a 1-1-3 pattern. Fun fact, 113 is my lucky number. It's my favorite number in the world. And all of tap dance pretty much runs on a 1-1-3 pattern. Not all, but a lot of times you'll get that. Do one, and then do 3. Like when you do like buffaloes. It's like a 1-1-3 pattern, right? So cool. So this exercise is working on that 1-1-3 pattern. So you have paddle, roll, dig. So remember to do a paddle roll. It's like a paradiddle, but there's no heel. It's just dig, spank, step. And then you dig with that left foot. So it's dig, spank, step, dig, and then you're going to do it again. Dig, spank, step, dig. So paddle, roll, dig, and that dig has no weight on it. So dig, spank, step, dig, spank, step, dig. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. My timing got a little off there. I'm gonna admit that. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Much better. Much better. All right, then to finish off the phrase, you have paddle, roll, stamp. So 3 of them and then a stamp, so your whole foot goes on the floor. So put your weight on that foot when you stamp. So paddle, roll, dig, paddle, roll, dig, paddle, roll, stamp. Let's try it. 5, 6, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Awesome. You see that balance? It's so hard. It's so hard to make sure that you stay up there. I'm just like, all right, let's try it again. You can hear my shoe squeak. Let's try it again. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Awesome. Then, so that's the first half. The second half is a paddle step to a paddle turn. You have step, spank, ball change, step, spank, ball change. So it's like a bomberche, but it doesn't involve the heel. It is more of a step, spank, ball change. So it's a paddle step. That's what I called it. Some people call that a bomberche, and that's okay. I call it bomberche with the heel. So it just kind of depends. I actually heard Shelby Kaufman made the most amazing TikTok the other day where she reminds everybody that tap dance is an orally passed down art form. And so people are going to learn things with different terms and different phrases. And so you can't just be like, you're wrong, it's this. It's more like, oh, that's how you learned it? That's so cool. I learned it as this. And I learned this as this instead. And it becomes more of a conversation rather than like an attack, I guess. So what I'm saying is, I call this a paddle step. And if you call it something different, that is so cool. Please tell me about it. But as we all comment, like, don't attack each other for like what we call things. We all grew up with different teachers who have different backgrounds, and it is an orally passed down art form. Cool, there's my PSA for the day. So, step, spank, ball, change, step, spank, ball, change. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7 and a 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Awesome. Then, technically, your feet are doing 3 of them and a stamp. spank, step, step, spank, step, step, spank, step, stamp. So it's step, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, step. So let's just do that, and then I will give you the option to turn it. It is supposed to turn, but if you are not up for turning, I know a lot of my adult students do not like turning. If you're not up for turning, if it messes with your equilibrium, that's okay. The option is to not turn it and just do that. It gets you to the other side just as well. So let's just do that without turning real quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, spank, ball, change, spank, ball. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, and awesome. So how do you do it turning? You're going to turn that way. So you want to follow the spanking foot around that way. So follow the spanking foot. I'm making one rotation for all 3 of those. Not one per, that's too much. One rotation as you do all 3. So it's step, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, step. Make sense? All right, so let's just try that turning. Step, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, stamp. Good, a little bit faster. Step, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, stamp. If you're not turning, no worries, just practice it not turning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So let's try from cool? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Let's try putting both together. The paddle rolls and the paddle steps. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, go. Paddle roll big, paddle roll big, paddle roll, paddle roll, paddle roll. Step, spank, ball, change, step, spank, ball, change, paddle turn, paddle turn, paddle turn. That's how it goes. Shall we try it again? Okay, one more time, and then I will say the worst 4-letter word in dance left. Let's try it one more time on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, awesome. That's a phrase I love using in class. The worst 4-letter word in dance, left. Because almost always dancers are right side dominant, so they're all like, I can't do left. Yes, you can, first of all. And second of all, we have to be even on both sides. So I love choreographing like these exercises that can take us from right to left seamlessly and naturally, because we just have to do them on the left then, right? Also, if you're a lefty, that's a great thing. That is a great thing if your dominant side is on the left, because that's always going to set you apart. All right, so left side. Let's just try it and then see how we do. Just starting on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paddle roll big, paddle roll big, paddle roll, paddle roll, paddle roll. Step, spank, ball, change, step, spank, ball, change, step, spank, ball, change, spank, ball, change. So with that, the left side, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a. So my right foot is spanking back this way, and that is the direction I'm going before I fall over. So let's try that again. Left side again. From paddle roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let me wake up my computer. Make sure we got some tunes. Do we have some tunes? Maybe? Yes? It does this to me. Yes, we have tunes. All right, so hopefully we're ready to try it with music. It's not too fast. It's not too slow either, so it's a great moderate tempo, really good for intermediate. You can always do it faster, do it slower. You can speed up this video, slow it down as we're doing it together. Whatever tempo works for you. I try to choose as moderate of a tempo as I can. and then do it along with me at the tempo that you need. YouTube is great for that. You can literally speed up or slow down in like the tiniest increments too. It's fantastic. So here's your tempo. Right? Bye. Bento, you started this video weird and you're making it end weird. But I love you. I love him so much. I love all my babies so much. All right, shall we try that again? Now that we've tried it and we know what it's supposed to sound like, we know how the triplets fit with the song. Bento, what are you doing? Come here. Say hi to everybody. Come here. That's a good boy. It's always good to give a cat moment, right? We love these on this channel. This is Bento, if you haven't met him before. He's my fat man, and I love him so much. All right, so, shall we? Let's do it. Really get into that tempo. You have to subdivide the triplets. Triple it, triple it, triple it down. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I got distracted by Bento, and I can't remember if we even tried it left to right before I turned music on. So if we didn't, that's okay. The first time we tried it left to right was with music. That's fine too. We have the tempo to keep us there, and it's all good. Let's do it one more time, just to make sure we got it, and to round out this practice with each other today. I love it. I absolutely love this exercise. I cannot wait to bring it to class. I can't do that this week because I'm filming this over spring break, but next week I will bring this to class. Let's do it. Last time, make it fun. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Time with me today, making circles. No, I love triplets, like I said. I had so much fun. I hope you guys did too. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, choreography tutorials where you get to dance to some of your favorite songs. Technique, I already said that. This is the second video where I did that today. Step tutorials, so you can learn things like a paddle step and a paddle roll or whatever it is that you need. I have that playlist down below. Don't forget to check that out. We've got all kinds of stuff on this channel. Challenges, vlogs, and kitty cats. Come here. No, don't get distracted. Come here. Bento. I got him. He gets so distracted. So we have kitty cats as well as tap dancing, and it's all free and it's all for you. And Bento is so happy to be your YouTube tap teacher. Now, I love being your YouTube tap teacher, so thank you for being here. Don't forget to also hit that thumbs up button because that's how people can find these videos easier, because that's how the algorithm works. Subscribing is the best way to support this channel because the more subscribers I have, the more I can offer you. And who doesn't want more free tap dance, right? So I love doing this so much, and noise. But yes, I had a blast with you today, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.